Okay guys, let's look at this question. We are going to be focusing on just the denominator. So here there is no HCF, so that's fine. If you look at this one, this is a difference of two squares, and then this one here I might have to just change the order, right? So let's go ahead and actually work this out. The first thing we need to do is write this out as a plus b, and I'm just going to put brackets around it, okay? And then the second one is the one I'm going to factorize. So I have a plus b, and then I have a minus b, okay? And then the third one, I see something there that I might have to change. I see that I have an a minus b, whereas this one is a b minus a. So I have to do something to it. So I'm going to say 5 over a minus b, and then guys, look at this, there will be a negative out. So when I take out a negative, then it swaps around. As you can see that the a here is positive, but here it was negative, and then the b here is negative, but there it was positive. So that's what happens when you take out a negative out. So let's look at now the LCD, right? Before I can go ahead and look at the LCD, I can just sort out the signs there. I will have a 3 over a plus b, all in brackets. I have a 2 over a plus b, and then I have an a minus b. Now here, negative and positive actually gives me a negative, so I'll have 5 over a minus b, all in brackets, okay? Then what do I need to do is find the LCD. LCD. What is the LCD? The LCD will be a plus b and then a minus b. So let's go ahead and sort everything out. So we have 3, we have a plus b, and this should be multiplied by what? By a minus b over a minus b. Yes. And then the second one, we don't really need to do anything to that one. So it will be left as, it does have the a plus b, it does have the a minus b. So we're not really going to do anything to that. But surely the third one is short of something. So it has an a minus b. It is short of what? It is short of an a plus b to make that denominator. So it's short of a plus b over a plus b. Right, now you can see at the bottom, this first one will have the LCD that we've talked about. This one does, and this one also does. So we are going to take this. We're going to take that, and we're going to take this, this, and this, and that, right, at the top there. So let's go ahead and work this out. Number 3 with an a minus b minus 2 minus 5 with an a plus b. So we've taken the numerator as it is. Denominator is a plus b, and then a minus b. Right, now what do we need to do? Okay, so let's just distribute what we have inside. We'll have 3a minus 3b minus 2 minus 5a minus 5b. As you can see, guys, distributed that in, distributed this in, and that's how I got what I've got in the numerator. The denominator, I can just simplify it. I know it'd be a squared minus b squared because that's a difference of two squares. Now, what do I do at the top? I look for like terms. I see the 3a minus 5a, 3a minus 5a will give me negative 2a. Right, I also see a negative 3b and negative 5b, which will give me a negative 8b. Then I just see a minus 2 over the a squared minus b squared, and that's my answer. There's nothing much I can do from there. Okay guys, I'm looking at this first fraction here. I see that it's a difference of 2 cubes. So whenever I have a difference of 2 cubes in the denominator, I just need to factorize that, see what it comes up with, what kind of brackets, and then I can match it with what I have in the other two fractions. Okay, so let's go ahead and just work that out. Okay, let me just multiply that negative 2 in and just get rid of that that bracket there, because I don't want it to confuse me. So I'm going to have an x minus y, and then the first term squared, and then plus the two terms, the first term and the last term, you multiply together, then plus the last term squared. So it's y squared. Okay, this is what I have so far. Then I have plus 1 over x minus y. Okay, this is what I'm going to do, guys. I'm just going to put brackets around it. Then I decide that, okay, I'm already deciding what the LCD is. And the LCD, in my case, it's going to be x minus y, and then x squared plus xy plus y squared. Okay, so this is my denominator. So I'm going to go ahead and just multiply what I'm short of here. And I am short of x squared plus xy plus y squared over the same thing exactly as it is in the numerator. So that's what I'm short of, right? Now, the second one, I have minus 6 over x squared plus xy plus y squared. Okay, so I do have that bracket. So that means I am short of x minus y over x minus y. So I'm short of that. Now, I can go ahead and just have one long line here, and the denominator is x minus y, and then x squared plus xy plus y squared. Okay, so I'll have a negative 2x negative 2y plus, then I have that 1. If I distribute this 1 in, I'm going to have x squared plus xy plus y squared. Okay, then here, if I distribute, remember, I'm distributing the negative 6 in. Not just the 6, but the negative 6 in. So if I distribute that, I'm going to have a negative 6x and then a positive 6y. I hope you guys can see that. Now, all that I'm going to do is I'm just going to start adding my like terms together, and that's it. That's what I'm going to do. Right, so I have equal to. Let's go out and check out our like terms. So I do see I do have an x here, and I do have that there. So we can go ahead and work it out, right? So I have a negative 8x. Then again, I see something. I see a y here and just a y here. If I work that out, I'm going to have a positive 4y. Then I don't have any other like terms, guys, so I'm basically going to just write it as it is. So I have a positive x squared plus xy plus y squared over. Guys, if you work this out, you are definitely going to get x cubed minus y cubed. Why? Because I know that this is the product of x cubed minus y cubed. So that should be my answer. That's it. That's all I can do.